Good evening everyone. I am Ramesh Sidhu. Today I am here present my topic different checking system in winding department. There are some checking point I will discuss in winding department. Main system splice checking, wax checking, package density, package fault, count change, rewinding drums, hard waste removal, moisture regain, drum wise weight variation, monitoring of rug spindle, alarm bobbin management, cone rejection monitoring, splicing checking. Objective appearance and strength of splice must be desired quality, must be checked off each and every drum at each count change. Splice must be checked once in 15 days. There must be one standard board for splice. Splice strength must be greater 75% of system. Abnormal drum out of standard must be stopped. Wax change. Objective uniform coefficient of friction. Change procedure batch. If any drum having high or low wax uptake, they are to be identified. Material is to be segregated and drum number is to be noted. Package density. Objective uniform density as per customer requirement. Package density should be checked off at least 10 drum at count change. Once in month package density must be checked. If density is out of tolerance limits, drum are to be stopped. Package fault. Objective to stop defective package going to customer. To analyze defective drum and take corrective action. Drum must be analyzed for following defects: jolly, stitches, ribbon, tail end, cut cones. Such drums should be stopped. Count change. Objective to reduce mix up and correct quality winding. During count change, all drum must be emptied first. Empty cones and remaining bobbin must be removed. In case of Murata machine, to be switched off from main and autocorner 338 winder switch to be switched off. Setting to be entered in clearer and informator. Pilot spindles at least 10% should be run. Hardness, splice, wax, bobbin, cone tip must be checked. Avoid similar count at one time. Rewinding drum. Objective to find the defective drums having problems like bunch, stitch, extra yarn, faulty splice, faulty yarn clearer, etc. Once in 2 months apart from count change. If any drum is identified, it must be stopped unattended. Double rewinding material should go in B grade. Rewinding of condition and non-condition material must be separated. Material must go with same load as of original material. Hard waste removal. Objective to maintain suction at machine at uniform level. Checkpoints. Hard waste must be removed at least 4 hours. Frequency can be increased depending upon count and hard waste. Moisture regain. Objective to maintain uniform level of moisture in yarn as per standards. Checkpoints. Weekly count wise. Moisture regain by odometer be tested. Daily moisture gain percentage must be checked. Within load Zorilla setting should be same. In case of power fail at Zorilla, if time of conditioning is greater than 50% of cycle time reconditioning, can be done, but reconditioning should not be done if cycle time is completed more than half. Drum wise weight variation. Objective to control one cone to cone length variation in weaving. Checking point whenever new count starts, check individual cones weight of each drum. If the range plus minus 1% is, check for following points. First, taper setting, cradle pressure, winding tension, cradle centering, cradle bearing jam, ribbon breaker setting, cone shape and diameter. Thank you.